which makes magic, in my opinion. We just reload and it fulfill for themselves. Hi everyone, today I will introduce my application which helps you to apply and fulfill the application forms much faster as you do it before. The problem. First of all, I had a problem with parsing vacancies from sites. I had for about 50 or 100 sites with vacancies from big companies, and also I have a karьеру for Russian vacancies, and also have a Telegram. I union all of them in my private channel, so you can write me reference on Telegram, so I add you in this channel. But after I started to click on each vacancy and fulfill the form, I realized that I spent too much time on it. For example, I spent for about 40 or 50 minutes in a day to apply 200 applications in karьеру, which is not acceptable for me. I wanted to spend my time on getting ready for interview or studying new materials about interviews, but not to fulfill these forms. All in all, I developed a small front-end application with extension which helps to pre-fill these forms. So let's look in it and try to realize what it can do. First of all, we need to download our resume in docs format, then click parse and it automatically parses on the 4 application inputs. Then we have universal forms for the questions which are repeated again and again in application forms but can't be parsed from your resume. The independent tab for karьеру fulfillment. So let's show how it works. We attached our resume and we can now, let's reload the tab. We can now tap on the button fill this form. Main app just opens the main application where we were before. And okay, we open the vacancy and just click on this button and okay, it's fulfilled. But I see that we don't fulfill the location, so I can just open my main application, go to the default select values because location is select from somewhere, and we can just go here, set here, and for example, I'm from Hong Kong. Oh my god, Hong Kong. Okay, when we typed it, it's autosave, so we'll just go here and reload to clear our form and then just click fill this form. And as we can see, Hong Kong is typed successfully. Sorry for this, but I don't need to I don't need each time to open the extension and to fulfill the page. I have this selector autofill on page load, which makes magic, in my opinion. We just reload and it fulfill for themselves. Don't need to click here and make something else. For example, it also can fulfill and select this kind of questions, and that's it for almost every form in the recruitment sites or in the recruitment forms. For about 80% of sites, for about 80% of pages, it's enough. It's enough. Let's let's see the karьеру, which is actually the most interesting for Russian developers. I made 200 applications under the 5 minutes with this extension, and now I will show how I made it. First of all, you need the mice, and you need the mice with the wheel, and all what I will do is to click on wheel when I will apply on vacancies. So we have, for example, the recommendation for me. I just click on here. I click on my wheel, not on my key, and it opens in the new tab. And we selected autofill on page load, and it just auto applies on vacancies where job giver don't where we don't need to fulfill anything. And for example, this application is made in new tab, But if I want, all in all, it works like the other auto-fulfillment. It works, all in all, it works the same as auto-fulfillment in the other forms in foreign companies. But this case showing how fast I can apply on vacancies in Hakaru. So that's it. That's all application. Of course, there are some bugs and other mistakes I made, but I developed it each day, and I think now it's in the most superior condition it have ever been. Yeah. And yeah, you can enjoy it for free. This video is made for the extension page in Chrome Web Development Store, in Chrome Extension Store. So thank you for watching. Write me if you found write me in Telegram if you found some bad behavior of application, or and subscribe on channel. Thank you for watching.